Hello everybody! Ang topic ko today is Reels Best Practices. Tips and tricks to succeed on Reels. Kailangan talaga natin to. Reels can unlock huge growth potential for creators, including more opportunities for creativity, discoverability, audience development, and monetization. Number one, relate to your audience. Create content that clicks with people. If they watch your reel and think that's literally me, you're on the right track. Showcase your situations that people can see themselves in. Yung masasabi nila na kung sila nakikinig at nanunood, ang sabi nila, uy, parang ako yan, nakaka-relate sila. Number two, share your POV. Ano yung POV? Point of view. Showcase your personality, your contagious energy and attitude. Share your passion, teach people something new, or share something that's uniquely you. Ganon. Number three, plot the plot. Great reels are built off of storytelling. Parang storytelling ka lang. Some of the most popular ones have either a clear beginning, middle, and end, or they have a strong hook of payout, like a big reveal, punch in, or plot twist. Ikaw nang bahala kung paano mo gagawin yun, na ibigay mo yung gusto mong sabihin, na may matutunan ang viewers mo, na may bago na inintroduce ka in a storytelling. Number four, be in the moment. Share your point of view on conversations of the moment. Whatever happening right now, people want to hear you take. Make sure you add your unique twist on the trending moment and that it's relevant to your needs and audience. Okay? Yung nandoon ka, yung feel mo yung sinasabi mo. Yun ang ibig sabihin. Be in the moment. Okay? Number five, start a trend. Inspire and start a trend that others can easily participate in or remix. Take cue from your cultural moments calendar and connect with your community. Remember, reels are not only meant to entertain but also to invite participation and create collaboration. So, pwede ka rin mag-collaborate with your co-creators. Ang trending ngayon, pinag-uusapan or ginagawa, yun din ang gagawin mo at mag-collaborate ka or remix. Kunyari, mayroong magandang sayaw dyan at nagte-trending, sasayaw ka rin kasama nung gustong-gusto mong creator. All that's remix already. Number six, let go of your fears. Huwag matakot. Remember that there is no right or wrong sa reels. Your way is the right way. If you're having fun, okay yun. Hindi yung, ay, ganun pala. Walang standard dito. Remember that there's no right way to create reels. Number seven, leverage the tools. Use creative tools like text, filters, or effects. Meron doon sa gilid, right gilid, meron doon mga tools. Text, effects, filters, stickers, audio, yun. Gamitin mo yun kasi dadagdag yun sa pagpapaganda ng iyong ginagawa. No, yung natural light, okay yun. Huwag yung masyadong nakaka-distract yung light from the back. No, titingnan ko doon sa video ko, ay, ang pangit ng light, nakaka-distract. So glaring. So maghanap ka ng pwesto. Hindi na maklaro yung mukha mo kasi yung light masyadong glaring. Number 8, music library. Ako hindi pa ako nakagamit ng music library. Set the scene by using music and audio tools in Reels. In Music Library, use the browser to find music for your reel. Search by artist, album, or song, or browse music categorized by genre, moods, and themes. Or pwede ring voice over. Mag-voice over ka. Magsalita. So, nag-video ka na. Pagkatapos mo ma-video, pag-edit mo, voice over ka na lang para maiwasan yung mga mali-mali or para hindi mo makalimutan yung ibang mong sasabihin. Number 9, go vertical. O sa Facebook, vertical kasi 9.16. Vertical content 9.16 helps ensure your reels are immersive. Horizontal video can be clunky and is typically not as easy to recreate. Yung sa ibang platforms, ano sila? Horizontal. Dito sa Facebook and Instagram is vertical. Number 10, spaghetti on the wall. We celebrate experimentation. Try new, interesting, and different approaches to see what works for you and what your community responds to it. Is it humor? How to perform a comical skit? Basta may humor, do you know that? Or a skit? Gawin mo yun kung ganun ang linya mo. Mahilig kang mag-comedy or drama or informative or tutorial. Number 11, share. Once you've posted your reel, don't forget to share. Share to your friends, share to groups, or share it to your Instagram and Facebook para marami ang makakita or maka-view dun sa ginawa mo. Use recommended on Facebook to potentially reach new audiences in Facebook. Pwede kasing i-link. Okay. From Instagram to Facebook to Reels and to regular posts. Number 12, avoid low-quality content. Don't post Reels that are visibly recycled from other apps. Avoid third-party fonts and watermarks. Avoid yung watermark, especially dun sa TikTok. May mga watermark, may nakasulat TikTok. Dapat hindi ganun. Some other common no-nos include blurry video. Yun lang ang mga tips na na-research ko. So, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, lalo na sa mga baguhan, para naman meron tayong guide. So, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. God bless and keep smiling.